Korea's central bank holds its monthly monetary policy meeting tomorrow, and market expectations no change in key interest rates. That's because the economy is caught up in the middle of a number of issues stemming from in and outside of Korea. Hwang Ji reports.
While the U.S. Federal Reserve is gearing up for its first rate rise in almost a decade next week, the European Central Bank took the opposite direction, laying out a new set of stimulus measures earlier this month. And that divergence is forecast to continue, with the ECB saying it's ready to ease its policy further if necessary.
Deflation pressure will persist in the meantime due to the oil price down. So most of market participants forecast that there will be some stimulus package in around over 2016.
But the trend of advanced nations focusing heavily on performance at home is prompting concerns that it will stir up greater instability in the global financial markets, resulting in massive capital outflows from emerging economies. While Korea is no exception when it comes to facing such external risks, it's also suffering from slowing exports due to lackluster global demand, mainly from China. Citing such uncertainties, Korea Development Institute slashed its growth outlook for this year to 2.6%, down almost half a percentage point from its earlier forecast. Unpredictability also remains on the domestic front, with household debt climbing rapidly, although the economy posted better than expected growth in the third quarter this year. Under such circumstances, many consider it would be difficult for the Bank of Korea to make any changes in its monetary policy in this month's meeting on Thursday.
Well, I still think like a BOK will hold it. It's not the time to hike it, as I said, but it's not the time to cut either, because the economy is on the gradual recovery path. So.
Given that experts add that most attention is focused on the governor's remarks on the lingering uncertainties at home and abroad, rather than any change in the key rate itself. Hwang Ji, Arirang News.